Delivery date, February 2nd. So February 2nd, we will be doing an unboxing live. So follow us. I will be posting a link on once I get my pre-order in the morning of, assuming I get the pre-order in. Again, I'm not special like some people that get them sent to them. Once I get my pre-order in, I will post a live date. And when our product comes, we'll unbox it and take a look at it together, get our first thoughts. So that would be February 2nd. Keep an eye open for the links and stuff for that. February 2nd, usually what I do is I'll put the date and I'll make it the time for later that night, but we'll go live whenever the product gets here. We'll usually throw like a 30 or 40-minute timer on. And when that timer runs out, that's when we'll go. So even though it might say 8, 9 o'clock at night, if it comes at 2 p.m., we'll go live at 2 p.m., give like a 30-minute timer. So February 2nd, just, keep an eye open for live.